Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React plus Fabric. Today we are going to learn about how to draw a line using the React and the Fabric. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here we have how to draw or add a line. So let's have a code on that one. Okay. Or the add a line code is very basic. So let's add this one. Okay. So here we have a canvas. Okay, and we will remove the rectangle and the circle code from this and only add a line to this. Okay, so let's save this and let's try to run it. So here you can see that we have a line, right? Okay, let's have a look how we can add a line. So first of all, import the necessary modules from the React, import the Fabric.js library, then create a reference to hold the canvas DOM element. Okay, then use effect to hook perform the side effects, create a new Fabric.js canvas instance. So this is that one. Now we have to add a line. So const line, so new Fabric.line. So here we are mentioning the dimensions. Okay, line 50, 50, 200, 200, and then stroke should be green and the stroke width. So these are the object properties that you have to check with the canvas with the Fabric. Okay, then canvas dot add a line to the canvas. Then here we are cleanup function to run when the component unmounts. This deep dispose of the Fabric.js canvas instance to prevent the memory leaks. Empty dependency array ensures that the use effect runs only once after the initial render. And here we are return the canvas element with the ref and the dimensions. Last, export this canvas component as the default export and use that canvas into here and into the main app.js application. So with the help of this, you are able to add a line into your React plus Fabric application. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.